This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Welcome to step 1, provide account details. So once you've created your publisher account and it has been verified and approved, you can log into your publisher panel. And to start working with Zeropark, first you need to provide some additional account information. And to do this, navigate to your account settings by clicking your account name in the upper right corner of the screen. Contact information. So you're going to want to fill out the requested contact details. This enables Zeropark the ability to easily locate your contact information when needed and quickly contact you when required. Billing information and invoicing. So once you've provided all your contact details, make sure you enter your billing information so Zeropark can process payouts in a timely manner. Payouts will be done within 30 days, counted from the end of the month the invoice is issued. Zeropark offers you payouts either via bank transfer or PayPal. However, the minimum payout for bank wire transfers are $1,000. And with Zeropark, you have the option to use automated invoicing. If you enable this option, Zeropark will automatically generate a monthly invoice for you that includes due revenue, account refunds, bonuses, and chargebacks. So to achieve the feature, contact your account manager or the Zeropark's publishers team. And change password. If you need to reset your password, you can do this in the Change Password tab in the screenshot that you see below. Alright, so security. Adjust your security settings for security to keep your business safe. First, you can set up notifications about logins from new devices that allows you to suspend the account in an emergency. Next, you have two-factor authentication, which is another layer of security based on passcodes from an authentication app, and it's highly recommended. And then last, you have authorized applications where permitted devices with remote access to Zeropark can dial in via the Zeropark Publisher app.